If you want to get the most out of Adobe Acrobat Reader, you're in the right place. In this complete beginner-friendly guide, I'll walk you through the essential features, helpful shortcuts, and practical tips that will help you master Adobe Acrobat Reader for everyday work. Let's get started. Start by getting familiar with the main interface. Take a look at the home screen, the toolbar, the navigation panel, and the document workspace. Knowing where everything is will make every task faster. Next, learn how to move through PDF documents efficiently. Use page thumbnails, bookmarks, zoom controls, and the page navigation tools to quickly reach the section you're looking for. Adobe Acrobat Reader includes several tools that save time every day. Learn how to search for text, highlight important information, add comments, fill out forms, and sign PDF documents. Customize Acrobat Reader so it works the way you prefer. So enable dark mode if available, adjust zoom settings, organize tool panels, and change accessibility options for a more comfortable reading experience. Learning a few keyboard shortcuts can significantly improve your workflow. Use shortcuts to search documents, print files, save changes, zoom in and out, and move between pages without using the mouse. Finally, make sure Adobe Acrobat Reader stays updated. Updates improve security, fix software bugs, and often introduce new features that make working with PDF files even easier. And that's how to master Adobe Acrobat Reader. Once you're comfortable with navigation, annotations, forms, shortcuts, customization, and updates, you'll be able to work with PDF files much more efficiently. If you enjoyed this guide, leave a like, subscribe for more software tutorials, and thanks for watching.